Hello everyone and welcome to this Nodalview tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use our home staging tool on your pictures here in Nodalview. Home staging helps you and your leads and your future clients to project themselves into an empty house or an empty apartment with just using one click and just AI. So first thing first, I'm going to be in my photo section and choose one picture. So here I'm going to choose this one and I'll click on the purple button here, AI. I'll choose home staging and then I have a window that pops up. So I can choose either to furnish or to restyle a room. Here, since my room is empty, I'm going to furnish it. Then I have this interface. So I can choose the room type that I want to put furniture inside. So here it's going to be a bedroom. And then I can choose a theme. So Scandinavian, American, coastal, luxury, and so on. So here I'll choose Scandinavian. And then here I have the information, how many projections I have left. So here with home staging, I have 16 different projections. So 16 variants of one picture with different furniture and different styles. And also the non-contractual disclaimer. It's always a good idea to put it right here. So here I can click then on generate and I have to wait a bit for my generation to be created. And here I have the results. So here I have one, I have the bed here and other furnitures. And then I can choose to have more variation of this room and I could choose another theme. For example, here I will choose standard and I click on generate again. So here I have to wait a bit. Also, you can switch from one possibility to the other, so from room restyling to furnish whenever you want. Also, when your photo is generating, you can still come back to your photos and do other things to come back after once in generated. So it's the same steps. You go to AI on the picture, you go to home staging, and you're back here with all your generation. So they're kept here and you can come back later to it. Now let's have a look at the restyling function of home staging. As the last one, we are going to do the same steps. So choose a photo, go to AI, home staging, but this one I'm going to choose room restyling right here. And it's the same option, so I need to choose the room type. So here it's going to be a living room, for example. I can choose the theme, so modern, Scandinavian here, and I can also choose to preserve the ceiling, the floors, and the walls. So here I'm not going to tick that boxes, but you can also do that for your rooms. Then I have also the information of how many projections I have left, and also how to show the contractual disclaimer. Okay, so here I'm going to generate and also wait a bit to have the results. And here we have our results right here. So you can see a before and an after here sliding, and you have also different shapes, different furniture here, and you can choose which one you want to save here. Then afterwards, you can choose another theme and maybe another room type if you want to do another one, and also come back to maybe the furnish tool. All right, so that's it. You're going to save as new. So I'll take this one. It's going to be saving in my property as the last picture. And you're going to have a small pictogram saying that this one has been modified by AI. And you can find it at the end of your property on your Nodalview account. And I click on close. I come back here and I find my latest home stage picture here with a small pictogram, so enhanced with AI, that I can download right here. If you wish to add more home staging to your subscription, feel free to reach out to our team at wecare@nodalview.com. So that's it for home staging. I hope you had all the information needed and you will use it as much as possible. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.